Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad easy. First, you'll need to cook about 2 chicken breasts. You can boil, bake, or grill them until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, let the chicken cool completely. This step is crucial for easy shredding. Then, shred the chicken into small, bite-sized pieces using 2 forks or your hands. This forms the base of our delicious salad. Now, let's create that creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for a nice crunch. Next, add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill for a burst of flavor. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix these ingredients well until everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the shredded chicken to the bowl with the creamy dressing. Gently fold the chicken into the mixture, ensuring every piece is evenly coated. You want a consistent texture and flavor throughout. Once mixed, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate the chicken salad for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your easy homemade chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it on toasted bread for a classic sandwich, with crackers for a quick snack, or in crisp lettuce cups for a lighter option. A sprinkle of fresh parsley or a dash of paprika makes a lovely garnish. This recipe is perfect for lunches, picnics, or a simple dinner. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen adventures. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.